Phu Quoc, often referred to as the Pearl Island of Vietnam, beckons travelers with its pristine beauty and vibrant culture. Nestled in the southern region of Kiên Giang province, this largest island in Vietnam is a true tropical paradise. The allure of Phu Quoc lies in its stunning beaches, where powdery white sands meet crystal-clear turquoise waters. Bai Sao, with its idyllic setting, invites sunbathers to unwind, while Bai Dai has earned accolades as one of the world's best beaches. For those seeking romance, Bai Trong offers the perfect backdrop for breathtaking sunsets. Beyond the beaches, the An Thoi archipelago presents a playground for adventure seekers. With over 15 small islands, snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts can explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Kayaking and fishing add to the excitement, making island hopping an unforgettable experience. Phu Quoc is also a culinary haven, where fresh seafood takes center stage. The local specialties, such as ham ninh crabs and grilled sea urchins, tantalize the taste buds, while the famous Phu Quoc fish sauce enhances every dish with its rich flavor. No visit is complete without sampling sim wine, a delightful local concoction made from wild sim fruits. For a touch of spirituality, the Phu Quoc Pagoda offers tranquility and stunning sea views, inviting visitors to reflect and pray for good fortune. Adventure awaits on the Hon Thom cable car, the longest oversea cable car in the world, providing breathtaking vistas of the ocean and nearby islands. Accessible by direct flights and speedboats, Phu Quoc is an ideal destination year-round, especially from November to April when the weather is perfect. With its untouched beauty, delectable cuisine, and a plethora of activities, Phu Quoc promises an unforgettable escape for every traveler.